Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi Rachel, my name is Pat Fogarty. I'm Allison's mom and her Doggy Delight sidekick. Allison was born with Down syndrome and tracheoesophageal fistula. Basically, her eating tube was connected to her breathing tube. She had surgery when she was 4 days old, but this condition has affected her whole life. We tried to hide our food from her because we thought seeing food would be torture. But she had other ideas. She discovered you, Rachel, and she talked about you and watched your show all the time.
Rachel, you are my hero. You inspired me to be a chef.
Thank you.
Doggy Delights by Allison came about after our move to Florida in 2017. The Down Syndrome Association of Central Florida happened to be starting their first entrepreneur academy for adults with Down syndrome, so we joined right away.
I make peanut butter delights and chicken and rice and grain-free sweet potato. I also make pumpkin.
Making dog treats is such a perfect job for her because it keeps her busy doing what she loves, cooking.
I'm very proud of doing this job because it's a lot of fun. I put them in the bones and paws.
Selling the treats gets her out meeting people and their dogs. She gets to talk about being a chef, how she makes the treats, and best of all, she sees how dogs love her treats.
A lot of people say, Allison, you did a great job, a wonderful, amazing chef. I love you, Allison.
I could not be any prouder of Allison. Despite her continued medical challenges, she shows us time and time again that she is a fighter.
Via FaceTime. Hi, girls! Hi, Mom. You must be so proud of your amazing chef.
I am. I couldn't be prouder of her. Just wonderful.
Chef Allison, I have to say you're my new hero. And I wanted to know if I invited you here, would you come cook some dog treats with me?
Oh my gosh, I'm so yes. Yes.
Well, I know it is a lot warmer in Florida, but it's always hot in a kitchen. So if you make the trip, I pinky swear we'll cook together here, okay? Pinky swear. Allison, what do you love most about making food and making your treats?
Oh, okay. Well, I love to cook and make the batter. That's my favorite part. And I put all the ingredients all like in assembly line like you do. And I
Do you like seeing them being eaten by your friends?
Yes,
the dog?
Yes. I got the treats already made.
Beautiful.
And it's very healthy and good for dogs, and I also see a lot of dogs in our neighborhoods.
That's wonderful.
And that's what gives me an idea.
We're starting to have dogs stop outside our lanai, smelling with treats. They know.
That's amazing. They know you're a celebrity in your community.
Yes, I am.
We also wanted you to know that we contacted our friends at BJ's Wholesale Club because that's where you shop, I think, for some of your ingredients. And they're sending you a $500 gift card with them to stock up on ingredients.
Okay.
Well, I thank our friends at BJ's. I thank you for all the good work you do, and I thank your mom for doing a great job on you. And I'll see you girls here in the city, and we'll cook together soon, okay?
Okay, of
All right,
course.
much love. Much love. Thanks for joining us, everyone, today, and we'll see you when we see you. Bye-bye.